Ho! Ho! Please be hooked good, baby. Ho! Welcome back to the channel, guys. Tyler, All My Larry Fishing. Sitting on about 6 o'clock in the morning. Gonna fish the creek up towards the middle of town this morning, and we had a temperature drop last night. Apparently it's been like 90 degrees and muggy every day. Get up this morning, this is fishing in the north, guys. Get up this morning, and it is like 53 degrees right now. I could see my breath this morning when I got up, but had a little bit of rain, but the rain didn't cool anything off last couple of days, so I don't know how it just ended up being this cold this morning. But so the creek's a little bit murky. I'm gonna run with a chatterbait, black and blue chatterbait, to start things off. You guys know how I do it when it's murky, but stay tuned and we're gonna see if we can't get some fish on. There's finally one, guys. Finally. Don't feel like too bad of a little smallie here. Come on, baby. Stay hooked. Let's get you over here to this stuff. Oh, he's only got one trip in him. Little guy. Little fat chunky smaller. First one of the day, guys. Oh, there we go. He put up a fight for a little guy. Little chunky smalley. First one of the day. Canonsburg, Pennsylvania. Thank you, little dude. When you're running like a crankbait or lipless crankbait, those repetitive casts in the same area, that's what's gonna get you bit. Just kept casting, and we finally got bit. Oh, that was sweet. There's another one. Missed him, I think. Or no, he's on there. Oh! Oh! Please be hooked good, baby. Oh. You guys, I'm 6'3", and he came up. Oh my. Yeah, that current, bro. Oh, yes. Oh, he landed himself for me. Oh, I think I was standing in the way on camera there when he came out. Oh, he came up out the water like 10 feet. Look at that. Oh, little tank smallie. That's a tank for a creek smallie. Oh, look at that. Look at that. He was coming back towards me. We're getting to pick with you, bud. Oh, you guys. Just under the bridge here in Canonsburg. Oh, look at you, dude. Look at you. Oh, thank you, bud. Thank you. Beautiful tiger stripe smallie. You're a pretty fish. Get him, bub. Oh, he was feisty and fat. I thought he was bigger, but it don't matter. Oh. You guys, we're in downtown Canonsburg. Wait till these trucks of fish going by. But how about that? I told you we had the cold front. I put on the chatterbait at first. I don't know, something wasn't feeling. put on that lipless crankbait, and bam, back to back. We got 2 decent sized creek smallies. That second one put up a heck of a fight. Thank God he came over here in the stream, so I'm only running 4-pound Berkeley Vanish line, and we pulled. Oh, that was a nice little fat creek smallie. So much fun with them creek smallies. Oh, the camera's not blurred, guys. Hold on, let me get a wipe. But how about that? This is our first creek video here in about a week or so, or maybe even 2 weeks, I'm not sure. But like I said, we had that cold front. It murked up the water. That lipless crankbait, we got 2 fish on already.